Tell me you missed an awesome sunrise without telling me you missed an awesome sunrise. I brought some fresh water for my chickens in case their water's frozen, because it may or may not be. Oh yeah, you got the gate locked back here. Let's take care of the chickens first and listen to the cows cry. What do you say? Good morning, Cluckies. Up and at 'em. Oh, we got plenty of food. It ain't near cold enough to freeze all your water. You're in good shape. Good morning, crew. Well, Jim, you gonna lead everybody in today? You gonna be the leader in the clubhouse? Know what we're doing today, bub? Watch out, little fella. Told you. Come on in, you big babies. Oh, yeah. Come on in a little bit. You alright? Come on, little red. You ain't scared of me. Well, Jim, once again, showing his proclivity to act like Big Jim, although they're no relation, other than the fact I guess they're both Angus. Was the first one in line for the feedlot, but was on the wrong side of the gate and got hit in the butt, and now he can't remember that there's no way to get in over there. Oh, little Jim, he'll be fine. Feels like winter again, and I think it might really be this time, and that's all right. Well, it's a glorious morning out here, though. I know I say that all the time, because they're all glorious mornings. What are you gonna do? Chickens are all out here, hanging out like they want to get into their little mini chicken run crate. Come on, chickens. They're plucking at the frozen grass on the cage. Here they go. Come on. You're getting there, chickens. Come on. There you go. Find the food. Alright. Well, that's most of them. I'm gonna just get this one chicken in there. That's the one that never did like me catching her anyway. Got him. Chicken farming. You know, have a good morning. I'm gonna go, have another cup of coffee, obviously. I'll come check on these chickens here in a little while.